So getting out of my little rut, not feeling that great. Finally feeling good enough to get out of the house and decided to go to a garden center. I am out Route 214 and this is partly getting my nature on. Just beautiful, beautiful flowers, trying to decide which ones to take home with me. If you're not up to a nature trail, beautiful option. Go check out a garden center. This one is called Homestead, out Route 214 before you get to Edgewater. Beautiful abundance of flowers. So many choices here. But it's time to make my selection so I can add it to the beauty of my own home garden. I like to choose the perennials because I like the fact that I pay once and they come back every year. Hopefully they come back every year. So take a look at what I picked. Almost time for the butterflies, the monarch, others to make their journey. So I need more flowers in the backyard. So I picked this beautiful annual. Looks gorgeous. Love the fuchsia. And I wanted to make sure I get the ones that had not bloomed yet. But once they do bloom, look how gorgeous those colors are. And this one is called, where is the name? This is called the blanket flower. Not sure why, but it is gorgeous and it goes into my yard.